Let's talk incision care. Most of our incisions are closed in layers using absorbable sutures, so there's little maintenance that's needed in order to care for them. The primary goal is for us to have you monitor the incision daily. We're looking for signs and symptoms of infection, including redness, increasing warmth, what we call dehiscence or opening of the incision with any type of drainage that's non-bloody, or really any concerns that you have in regards to your incision. We'd want you to notify our office, at which point we can bring you in and assess it. Otherwise, we ask that patients not submerge the incision for at least 4 to 6 weeks. The primary purpose of that is to avoid getting stagnant water inside the incision that can be an environment for bacteria and raise the risk for infection. If you start to notice some concerning symptoms and it becomes itchy or red, that is not something that's uncommon to us. There are certain cases where you may have a skin allergic reaction to either the prep or some of the products that are put on the incision. We use a dermabond or a glue, and sometimes people will have a reaction to that. If you start developing those symptoms, you want to notify us as soon as you start to see them, and we can direct care accordingly. Usually we'll have you use an antihistamine to try to help control the symptoms, and then monitor the incision as regularly as we need to. And then the other point that I'd want to make is not all of our incisions are closed with absorbable sutures. Some are closed with staples, and if your incision is closed with staples, you should be directed as to when those staples should be removed, either in the office or with a professional healthcare provider.